I'm Dr. Adams. I wanted to take just a moment and welcome you to ChiroFusion Sport and Spine. Also to talk just a little bit about injury and pain. How often has injury and pain stopped you from doing the thing that you love to do? How much time, effort, and money have you spent on treatments that may have given you little to no result? At ChiroFusion, we offer a unique hands-on therapy where we can treat even severe cases such as ankle sprains, frozen shoulder, even long-standing headaches in as little as 3 to 5 treatments. If you're looking for something different, something effective, and a safe, clean environment, make sure you give us a call. Consultations are always free. Stay tuned to hear what some of our patients have said about us, and I'll see you soon.
Hi, I'm Catherine. I'm a personal trainer and nutritionist. I own my own business, and I met Chad from ChiroFusion a little while ago, and he does something completely different than I've ever had. So I regularly go to a massage therapist. My massage therapist actually works at a physical therapy office, so he does really well with improving my mobility, just helping me feel better. And I've also gone to a physical therapy. Last year I hurt my back, and so I started doing those things to just make it feel better. So when I met Chad, I'd gone to chiropractors before, I've gone through assessments, and I've actually gone regularly to one a couple times a week for about 6 months, and he'd gotten rid of a lot of back pain, you know, the typical things that you go through when you go to the chiropractor. And Chad does nothing like I've ever seen before. He does more what's called fascial distortion model, which is amazing. It gets you feeling so much better faster. So for me, what happened was he worked on my mobility one session and already got me feeling better. Just a couple of tweaks here and there, and normally that would take me many massage therapy sessions, and he did it really quickly. The other thing he did was he did some testing on my ankle mobility and my hip mobility, and that's something I've always struggled with. I've always tried to get deeper into the squat, and I've always had problems with that. And I've done mobility from other physical therapists, from other personal trainers that train athletes regularly, and although that did help, I never saw as fast results. So in one session I got better mobility, and the next day I had better movement in my deadlift and my squat than I have in the last couple of years of trying to work on it on my own. So I definitely recommend him to all my clients, especially if they're running and they have an injury in their hips, or they're just feeling pain somewhere. I know it's the fastest way that they're gonna feel better. So I would definitely recommend Chad to anyone from ChiroFusion. He's great. He does everything that I can hype him up, he will fulfill in a shorter amount of time than any other professional that I've worked with out here. So definitely go see him if you got anything that you need to recover as quickly as possible, or just if you want to feel better.
Dr. Jansen Kemp with ChiroFusion. I've been a sports medicine physician for 7 years, and I've treated thousands of patients, from the average office worker to elite athletes, including an Olympic runner, professional baseball and football players, to CrossFitters, to UFC fighters. And I treat my patients with FDM, or fascial distortion model. And I've tried several other techniques in the past, and nothing gets my patients better faster or gives longer lasting benefits than FDM. I can take a patient that has a chronic condition that's been told their only option is surgery, and in as little as 20 minutes, vastly improve their range of motion and function and greatly reduce their pain. And with that same patient, be able to resolve their condition in as little as 3 to 4 treatments in our office without surgery.
Competitive powerlifter in competitive powerlifting. I've been at it for maybe 8 years now. I'm an American record holder in the APF with a 622-pound bench press. Working out with these heavy weights, you know, you get to a point where you've got some aches and pains and muscles. And I've been to physical therapy, different people to have this worked on. Oftentimes I'll get some pain through the clavicle region or through my shoulders or elbow region. And the physical therapy that I've been to before has gone to a point of help, but when I found facial distortion here a couple months ago, or a couple weeks ago, I had it originally done on a foot problem I was having, and one small treatment and my foot feels better than it's ever had. I've been able to hike, walk, and no pain. And so came back and had another treatment with FDM for my shoulder and elbow, and my range of motion is significantly improved. The pain in my elbow is gone, and I'm looking forward to big things with this next competition I'm going to be at. So I'd highly recommend FDM for people who want to have something a little bit different, that maybe your physical therapy isn't quite taking care of everything that you need. So give it a shot.